let's see. We had a lot of times with these Skylights. You see, they'll have that troffer in there to kind of mellow the light out inside the house. A lot of times those are just as old as the house or the Skylights. Debris falls in there, they break real easily. We had one break on that side, I think. They need us to replace, so we're gonna run up to the hardware store, get a new one so we can go inside and swap it out. So if he can cut it, you want me to have him cut it at what?
Yeah, 26.5. 17.
3/4. Is there any others that could break? Maybe I should just get a sheet.
Close that one off. The other one.
Was that Skylight canceled right there?
We canceled
There was
this
the
one.
2x2.
The existing one's still there.
But there was a 2x2 up here that you canceled?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's the one right side. Yeah.
Okay.
So far, that's the only broken one.
I wonder if I should just grab a sheet. That one, when I pulled that Skylight up right there, there was a bunch of debris on it. Do you have something to cut it with?
Snips.
Let me think. Let me see if they can cut it. Okay, we're gonna go get that Skylight troffer real quick. We'll run into this Ace. Luckily, it's right down the road from the job, so it makes it super easy. This is kind of a common thing on these roofs out here. Ooh, that's what's up right there. Okay. Let's see. How you doing? I'm looking for like a troffer for like the Skylights. Yeah. Like that thing, like the troffer.
To the window right here.
Okay.
The doorbell on the counter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
The next one.
Next one.
But he wants another one of those ones.
So we're out of the plastic and right away.
Yeah, and he didn't care.
See if they have some pre-cut ones.
The bad one.
Yeah, and then this one's the final one on them. And then it's this one.
How you doing? Looking for a troffer for a Skylight.
What's a troffer?
A troffer, like one of those, the
Like
plastic. Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Do you guys have them pre-cut or?
No, I can cut those.
Okay.
Nobody's ever said troffer before.
That's what I know, man. It's probably not a term
I
used too
don't
much.
Now I'll know though.
Probably that one.
Okay.
And I need it.
Lost my pen. What do you need it at?
26.5 by 17 3/4. That one? Yeah, try that one.
Okay.
Thank you.
You gotta buy the whole panel.
That's fine.
Okay.
Whew. Looks like Eduardo bought his sombrero right there. That's like the same one he had on today. Let's see.
On the nose. 17 3/4. Good.
Thank you, sir.
You want the other piece?
Can you get 2 pieces out of it?
Oh,
No. If it's not worth, it's fine.
Okay.
Pay for it up front.
Yes.
Right on. Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Maybe I'll
Yeah. I would just keep going. Over here. Oh, over here. Oh, the line's over there, I guess.
Yeah, you're supposed to
Yeah.
come around the checkout.
Okay. Okay.
I got the 4 MIPs on there already.
Are you an A3 driver?
It's like the big aisle there kind of threw me off. So we'll run this back over to that job, pop it in for those guys, and then we'll head over to that tile job over in Sun City West, see what's going on with those guys, and then we got a payment to go pick up. We'll run over and pick that up, and then see where we're at for the rest of the day. Got to try to get some shirts for those guys too. They're on me about that. So
Now you can 194.
it's the little things you got to take. You got to take care of. You got to take care of this stuff quick.
And that's how it starts.
He was faked out by the island too.
Hello. So she's okay, so it's gonna ask if you'd like to round up your change. Phoenix Children's Hospital. So it's 2019, please. Thank you. Go on there with you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thanks. Okay.
All right. We are off. I guess this is a different layout. And we're gonna come here. Okay. So this goes up there in the ceiling, kind of. So if you look at it, if you were just to put a clear one over there, it's pretty rough. It's very bright. So that's why they put these in there to kind of mellow that light out a little bit. Moment of truth. Oh, you know what? Let me take this. All right, that's that. Okay. Next job. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.